all these are the rack pins inside. These are the choices. Secondly, there's a side locking bar here. So no matter how you insert the pin to get to the pin to be in the same direction, it can never happen because of this side locking bar. Okay. To make this more interesting, can I ask someone for a demonstration to help me insert this big key into this lock? How about Miss? Yeah. I'm sure you can insert the right key, don't worry. The other way around. Okay, come over closer to take a look. This is the right key. When the right key is placed in, you can see all the pins inside, just like the video. It's aligned on the same line, the same height. Can you help me to turn? It's no problem, right? She can turn it the full 360. Again, remove this key. Okay, help me to place it here. Let's say if she insert the wrong key, let us look at where the rack pins will be. You can see it's all at a different height, which is why the lock will never open. Will you again help me to twist the key? The other way? Because this is the wrong key. I hope with this experiment together with the video, it's explained how the Kwiset lock is different from the pin and tumbler lock out there, which is why they are easier to pick. And Kwiset with this security system, this design is harder to pick. Not only this. Okay, let us have another scenario. How about this is the right key, this is the wrong key. I want to change the key right now. If you lose this key, I want to change to this key to be the one opening. Can it be done? It can be. For Kwiset, this can be done because I have this smart key here. Okay, so assuming you have lost the key. Okay, let's take this out. And you want to change the original key to this new key. Get one last original key from your husband or your boyfriend. Inserting this. Oh, turn 90 degrees here. Okay. The side locking bar is here. Turn 90 degrees. You can see the side locking bar is here. Alright? How are we going to reset the pins again? Okay, may I have another demonstrator? This lady is tired from all the coding. How about really? Will you be able to help me? Will you mind inserting this smart key into the hole? Take a look closely. When Willie insert this all the way in, push it in, the side locking bar pops up. So this is the time now to reset your key. Will you kindly help me to remove this key? The right key at this moment. Remove. Okay. This was the key that couldn't open this. Okay. Will you mind helping me? Turn it 180 degrees. Okay. So right now, can you, just to be sure, this is the wrong key. Okay, really, I pass you the right key. Help me open this lock, please.
So if I may, yeah. So why would you ever want to do that? Well, as he was saying, if you lose a key, you don't know, you gave out a key to a housekeeper or somebody, now, and you don't know who has a key, maybe they duplicated it, maybe you fired that housekeeper, you want to now change your locks. Now normally you have to call out a locksmith, and they will have to take the lock off the door, and they'll have to change out all your locks. But with Smart Key, you can literally just buy, and we sell a packet of randomly cut keys, and so you could actually, with your locks still on the door, be able to change your locks without even having to go call a locksmith to the house. You just change the locks. So it really makes it that simple.
Your ex-girlfriend.
Oh, your ex-girlfriend. So we had a campaign that says, "Who's got a key to your house?" You know, could be an ex-girlfriend, could be a fired housekeeper, could be somebody that you might. Also, in the new construction market, a lot of times builders, while they're working on the house, will have temporary locks on the house, and then when they turn the house over, they will change the locks. Well, with Smart Key, and this is a big thing in the U.S., the builder will actually show the homeowner that now I'm giving you your set of keys. I'm going to show you that my keys worked. Now we're going to rekey it to your keys. My keys don't work anymore. Your keys now work, and now we hand it over to you, the builder, and now you have the keys to the house. And in the meantime, the builder had flexibility. They had one key to all the properties under construction because they were using that to let people in, and so that's another feature that for builders, this technology is really good.
So
You can play key store.
So it has to be a K key, which is a K. It's a very common keyway. So it has to be a K keyway to be it could be other brands though. And that thickness. But there's a lot of brands that use the K key. So if it's another brand that uses the key, so it doesn't have to be a Kwiset as long as they're using the K key.
Couldn't explain it better by Dave. Thanks. And can I just invite Willie to complete the last part of the experiment?
Okay.
This is the wrong key. Help me to insert it in.
So this is the new girlfriend now.
That's a good way of explaining it.
Okay. And to clarify what Willie has said, it's either for the new girlfriend or for the new boyfriend. Either way. Okay. So this is how you rekey the smart key. Only available through our smart key security system, like what Dave has mentioned. When you want to change the key, if you lost it, or to someone that you don't want them to enter, this is the best way. And of course, we also have situation where we have a whole bunch of keys in our pocket. Imagine you can change your padlock, you can change all the deadbolts, everything that has a smart key security system, you're just using one key. Make it simpler. Okay? So may I proceed over to our electronic side?
Good job.
Thanks. Okay, so like for the lady, hi, may I have your name, miss? May I have your name? You have been helping me in the experiment so far. And you seem to have problem inserting the key, so I need to introduce you to the electronic locks. No key insertion. This is a standalone installing in your system. Yeah, it's a touch screen. Press this too. And you can have the full code. 1357 to unlock. Right now it's locked. 1357. One question. How secure is an electrical lock? When I touch the screen, it actually just now earlier it showed me I have to press 2 numbers. Correct? But this is just for you to press. Why is there an exercise like this in this lock? Think about it. Couldn't I just press in my key code, then open the lock? Will it be much easier? Because we have fingerprints. This screen. If a thief that is smart, he will just use a light to look at the fingerprints. 4 codes, 16 combination, it can open the lock. So every time Kwiset lock when you activate, it let you press 2 numbers, so to confuse. So they can have more than 6 fingerprints or even 8 fingerprints on it. So the thief will never guess what is your password. This is how deep and how far we think is securing our lock. You have the standalone, you have the one that can connect to your home, including turning on the aircon when you get home, home connect system. But last but not least, I have to talk about the keyboard behind. Shall we? Like what the lock suggests here, touch me. Basically, you don't even need to key in the code. Just put your finger and lock. You want to lock it? You lock it. And what happens if you are carrying your stuff and you do not want to? What happens if you are sitting on the sofa, catching on your favorite show, catching out on a soccer match? Download the keyboard app in your iPhone. As you search right now, it shows lock. Sit on the sofa, someone press the bell, you know someone is coming. Unlock it. This is what keyboard is about. And okay, in Asia, it's for all ages actually, but some of our, maybe for my parents, they are not really used to using this Bluetooth. So, but you still want the technology in your home. What happened? Keyboard convert. You can have any table outside using the key, but on the inside, you change this to an electrical lock. So you can still using your phone to activate the lock, unlock it, and get history of people entering your home. All this from the phone. But for our parents or for someone that is not comfortable using this, they can still use the key to open. And for existing home, it's one of the best options. You have the best of both worlds, electrical and mechanical. Okay? So any question? from the experiment
With
so far?
regards to the compatibility issues, there are some phones that doesn't work on this.
Keyboard, okay, for the apps, it's download from the Apple iStore or the Android apps as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
but for example, presented it to a client. His phone is Samsung. I also have a Samsung. My phone works on the whole app, but his phone is not. He's only allowed to give Android 5 and up.
Oh yeah, okay, for the keyboard too, you need a certain version of the Android version to be able to make the apps work together. Yeah, so okay.
But wouldn't Kwiset device program that maybe Android 5 and below would work also with this?
Yeah, we have actually spoken to US. Okay, we understand the support for the Android on the keyboard app is not that really up to scratch. We have already spoken to them. They are working on it.
Yes.
Yeah, so no worries. We expect to see some breakthrough soon. But of course, what happens if your smartphone runs out of battery? You can still use a key. Or you can actually get a keyboard fob. Works like your car key. When you get near, it works like the phone. You can touch to open. It's the same. So it gives you a lot of options as well. Okay, that's a nice question. Thanks.
Alright everyone, it's time to move to
that's
the
nice.
next booth. We'll
So y'all
have
can go to
group one
design.
moving to the